different one, this, because it's not just talking about us at Laminar, it's about us understanding the project team.
If a team member feels heard, understood, and most importantly feel that they're a part of a common goal, they are very likely to also deliver the best results.
And that's when, they'll really bring their A game and contribute their best ideas and skills.
They solve the problems faster. They raise the risks earlier and they care more about the outcome.
Which will translate as well into faster progress and fewer blockers and better outcomes in general.
But they also have the mental clarity to make the difficult decisions when the project is under pressure.
No one can flourish if they have no time to think.
So we really try and create an environment where everybody can learn from each other and succeed.
So when people are doing work they care about and feel trusted to contribute meaningfully.
That means fewer drop balls, more proactive thinking, and ultimately better delivery.